Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. In some countries right now it's maybe in morning, and some countries right now in the evening. So I hope you all guys are okay with your work, with your family, and also you have a very beautiful last week. I hope so. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amir. Uh, I already made one video full of you guys, and thank you for watching that video. And I hope that you all guys are like that video. So basically, I tell in every video that how you can earn money online, which type of works that you can do, which type of works you need to do, and you can earn a lot of money. Before I already mentioned you 3 4 things that how you can earn money from the internet. So right now I want to tell you again that how you can earn money online, real money. I will tell you that how can I make right now I will tell you that how can I make real money on the internet. So I will tell you can search anywhere. So after that you can see a lot of things that three that which type of works that you can do, and you can earn money from there. So mostly right now in all over the global, the people doing freelancing work, that you also might be the mostly guys they know that how it's work. The most of the guys they are using Amazon FBA doing that, and AVA of Amazon virtual assistant as well. So if you are new, you don't know anything, that you just take some classes with any or go with your end friends that he knows some work online. You just give him some time, so after that you can start your own work. No need to defend anyone, no need to depend on anyone. So if you have your own work, then you can earn your own money. No one tell you that where you get this money, where you spend this money. So just live use yourself, do work hard. One day you will achieve everything that you can you want. So right now I will tell you that which type of works it is freelancing, and also you can see that test website and apps. If you are professional that you need, you also can do this job as well. So this is the two works right now most famous all over the world. So I hope you like video. So please follow, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.